Looking for the ultimate in sound effects collections? Sound Ideas Ultimate Sound Effects Collection is all Sound Ideas libraries on one hard drive, provided as broadcast wave files in your choice of 16-bit 44.1, 16-bit 48K, or 24-bit 48K formats, formatted for either Mac or PC. Included are 7 general sound effects collections, 8 comedy and cartoon collections featuring Rocky and Bullwinkle, Hanna-Barbera, and Warner Brothers, 5 feature film collections including Lucasfilm and 20th Century Fox, as well as extreme sound effects, Foley, transportation, weather, birds and animals, science fiction, and much more. Sound Ideas Ultimate also features production elements, including the Elements Cafe series of 10 CDs, the Big Whoosh collection of 6 CDs, all 10 of the Production Elements toolkits, and more. And every file on this hard drive is embedded with keyword metadata for easy and accurate search and retrieval. The Ultimate Sound Effects Collection on hard drive from Sound Ideas.